Hey guys, my name is Amy Jo. I'm back with another gel plate video. And in this video, I'm going to be making a couple of different gel prints using 3 different shades of green. We're going to get started with our lightest shade of green, yellowish green. And I'm going to be adding some masks to mask away some of the green paint so that we have some white left behind. If you watch any of my videos, you know that I really love gel plate printing. It's like my obsession right now. See, doesn't that look cool? Okay, so now we have a ghost left behind from the yellowish green. Can you see it there? Kind of looks like 3 donuts or bagels left behind. I'm going to use a darker shade of green. This is a medium olivey green. I'll use my brayer to spread that out on my gel plate. We'll add some more masks to mask away the paint so that we'll have some white left behind. And then I will very awkwardly flip my gel plate over to leave the print. So I'm using my 5x7 gel plate, and in order for me to line it up, I'm flipping it over in a very awkward way. I need to figure out a better way to do that. So now we have the white. Those are the areas left behind by the masks, but then we also have some little ghost prints left behind. Now I'm going to use the darkest shade of green. I'm going to apply that on the gel plate, and you can see the ghost from the previous print showing through the green. And we're adding that on top of the first print that I made with the yellowish green. I love using masks because I love that layered look. Going back to our medium shade of green. Very light layer. Adding a little bit of the lighter shade. More masks. I really like how this one is turning out. There, now you can really see the mask a lot better. I should have done that earlier. We're going to use our lightest shade of green to pick up the ghost that was left behind And we'll do one more very awkward flip to place the gel plate. Make sure all of the paint has pulled off of the gel plate and onto the paper. And this is our final reveal. Ooh, I love it. I don't usually leave white behind, but I really like it on this print. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.